Hello, Chidima, what is it I'm hearing about you and Babajide? That you slapped him? Yes, baby, I slapped him. Can you imagine, Babajide? Do you know that Babajide called me for a job and I went to his house? The next thing he started telling me to be his girlfriend and I refused. You don't mean it? Yes, and Babajide started touching me. He started touching me on my body, so I slapped him. Babajide, that old man, that dirty old man, tried to touch you. Yes, you did very well. You did very well. You know I love you and my baby, you know I cannot cheat on you. My baby, that's why I love you. I trust you. He even offered to give me 20 million naira for a start if I will become his girlfriend. Can you imagine? You said he promised you what? 20 million. 20 million. Yes, he offered to give me 20 million. I refused. Chidimana, you would have not slapped him now. No, sometimes some things you don't handle it like that. You need to calm down to handle some things. Oh yeah, go and beg him. Go and beg him. Call him on phone to beg him. Call him, care. I blocked him already. Immediately he started telling me that he's going to give you 50 million naira for you to leave me and that you will leave me. Chidima, you said he wanted to give me 50 million to leave you. Yes, I told him no, my boyfriend will never leave me and that I know you that you will not leave me for 50 million naira. Chidima, you going to get that one. Who sent you that one?
Jesus is Lord.
You just blocked our destiny. I blocked him now. Chidima, send me his number. Let's go and beg him. Baby. Chidima, let's go and beg him now. Hello, Chidima. Hi. Chidima, hey, I'll call her. Beg him now.